Getting started with FlexChart, a C#.NET WinForms chart control. ComponentOne FlexChart is the one-stop solution for all your .NET charting needs. To get started using FlexChart in WinForms, first create a new .NET 8 project. When your project has finished loading, open the NuGet package manager and install the c1.win.flexchart package. Once that is installed, open the default form in Design View. Locate the FlexChart control in the toolbox and drag it onto the form. The WinForms FlexChart control features a Smart Tag that allows you to make quick and simple changes to the chart at design time. Through this Smart Tag, you can change settings such as the chart type, series stacking, and color palette, as well as the data source. You can set properties for each chart element by clicking on them directly or through the Chart Elements link in the Smart Tag. Access elements such as the X and Y axis, the legend, and the header and footer. Here you can adjust these elements quickly by changing their position, orientation, and other settings. You can set the data binding to an object data source at design time or populate the chart through code. Here we have a list of product sales data defined in code that can be easily displayed in the chart. First, set the chart's data source to your data collection, table, or list. Second, define and add each series you need to the chart. Set the binding property of each series to the field name in your data source that you want plotted along the y-axis. The series name is displayed in the legend. In this example, we are data binding to the revenue value, and it will display as sales in the legend. Next, set the chart's binding X property to the field you want plotted along the X-axis. In this example, we are plotting the date value. Finally, build and run the project to see the chart data binding in action. FlexChart offers a wide range of chart types and data visualization features to help build the exact .NET WinForms chart you need. Learn more at developer.meshius.com/ComponentOne.